Hi, I'm John from Zenatta Consulting. This is a tutorial on how to connect your bank feeds to your Zoho Books application using Plaid or Yodlee. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing below. Thank you and enjoy. From the home screen here, we will click on the banking module and go over to Add Bank or Credit Card. Once you've clicked that, you are going to then click on the Connect Now. From here, you have three options of how you would like to connect your bank account. You can use Plaid, Token, or Yodlee. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the Plaid and Yodlee integration. So starting off with Plaid, you will need to agree to the end user license agreement by checking this box here. Once you do that, you'll click on the Proceed, and a new pop-up window will take you to the Plaid setup. Once that loads, you can go ahead and read the Plaid end user privacy policy, or go ahead and just hit Continue. If you have connected your phone number to any of your bank accounts, this is a quick way to access it. But most of the time, I've noticed that it's easier to just click on the Maybe Later and manually find your bank accounts. So from here, we'll go to My Bank. Once you found your bank, you're going to head and click on that. From that portion there, you're going to fill in your username and password. If you have 2FA on your account, this is the portion where it will let you know how you would like to identify yourself using 2FA. Once you receive that code from your choice, you will need to enter that in. And after waiting a short moment, you will see a pop-up that shows you all of your bank accounts associated with that bank. If you're a first-time user setting up your account, you can go ahead and click all of the accounts that apply. If this is a personal and business login, you'll notice that you may see your personal accounts. As long as you do not checkbox those accounts, they will not pull in with the integration. So I'm going to go ahead and pull in these two accounts, leaving off the third one. Once your accounts have been connected, it's going to ask you when you would like to fetch the bank feeds from. If it's a newly opened account, you'll be able to select today's date as the opening date. The system allows you to go back up to 90 days and pick a date to fetch the feeds from. If you wanted to import in transactions prior to that, you'll need to use the import tool. Once the transactions have been fetched, you'll notice that it might take between an hour and 2 hours to pull all the data. In this case, it happened instantly because there weren't many transactions to pull. And you'll see now that your accounts have been added into your banking overview, along with any transactions from those dates. As long as the bank feeds or active signal is green, you'll know that it is connected and pulling in transactions. Now that these are connected using the Plaid integration, I'm going to go ahead and delete them and restart using the Yodlee connection. Once again, we're going to head over to the top right, Add Bank or Credit Card. We'll click there, hit Connect Now. From the drop-down menu, we'll now be selecting the Yodlee integration. And again, we'll need to checkbox the I have read and agree to all end user terms for automatic bank. Once that's selected, it'll give you a slightly different screen than the Plaid integration. From here, you're able to search your bank, select it, and enter your username and password. Once you have verified your login, it's going to ask you if you have 2FA set up to send a passcode to you. Once you have entered that passcode, you will be able to pick your accounts just like with the Plaid integration. So once again, you'll checkbox the accounts that you would like to bring into your bank feeds, and you can uncheck any of them that are not related to your business. Again, you'll be able to select your bank feeds up to 90 days prior. So go ahead and choose the date that you would like to import from and add those into your bank feed. At this point, you'll want to go back to your banking and go ahead and check to see that the connection has been made. Again, you'll notice that the accounts will have the bank feeds are active signal and it will be green. Per the note, as you saw above, you'll notice that the transactions have not been pulled in yet. It may take up to 2 to 4 hours for you to see those transactions inside of your bank. If you ever notice an issue with your bank feed, you may see the signal goes from green to either red or gray. Red means there's an error, and gray means that it has been disconnected. This may happen when you update your password for your account and the current password no longer applies. In order to update the credentials in the system, you'll need to go and click on that account, go over to the Settings tab, and hit Update Credentials. And this will take you back to the login for your bank. Once you have entered in your credentials with the new password, it will update and it should bring in all of your transactions again. In the case that you notice there are missing transactions or it seems to have stopped at a certain date, you can come over here to the refresh feeds. It will notify you of the last refresh feeds date, and you can simply click on that and pick the date that you would like it to refresh from. If you notice that the Yodlee integration or Plaid integration is not working as you would like it to, and you'd like to try the other one, you can simply go to the account, go to the settings icon, deactivate the feed, and reactivate it using the new service provider. Okay, and that's it there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, which notifies you when our new videos drop. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave those in the comments below. We really appreciate that as it helps us get better. See you on our next video. Thanks.